back to the channel, guys. I know it's a little bit hard to see me, but today we're taking this out, which is going to be a pain because we got to pull the radio out and get the wire for the performance pack gauges to go in here. So we got to replace this whole piece, but not only that, but over here as well, the headlight switches like this. Alright, sorry about that. So we're going to pull this off because all of this new trim looks like this. And of course, just to remove this, it's a 7 millimeter bolt. And then right here at the bottom gets another trim too. So I've got this out. Tell you what, I'm gonna put you on tripod real quick. Hold tight. Okay, now let's see about getting this out of here. There it goes. Now we're gonna unplug it. And then there's little tabs on the back of the headlight switch. You just push in on them. The car's freaking out now. We're going to slide headlight switch back into this one. Locks in beautifully. Plug this back up. Chase that wire back in. Alright, one piece changed. Now, put our 7 millimeter bolt back in. Alright, first piece is in. Now, y'all can see it barely. I'll have to brighten this up when I edit the video. Man, this one's a pain. There it goes. All right. So now we went from the old look to, oh, of course that light would cut off. The new look. Them clips, boy. So now let's get on to the next piece. And that's getting that metal completely taken out. All right. I'm trying to figure out a good place for y'all to sit. Ooh, I got an idea. Let's go back here. How is that? Yeah, that'll work. That's actually a pretty good shot. So we're gonna get this off. Hopefully it'll be easy. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Joe on hyperlapse here. Alright guys, I stopped you on time lapse. Down here at the gear shifter, right in front of it, the bottom of the radio, there's a little tab in between your USB port and your charging port, like your cigarette lighter style charging port. Has 2 bolts. Of course, they're 7mm as well. And it's the 2 bottom bolts. Oh wait, hold on. Let me take this back off. Sorry. See, this is the little plate. You can barely see it. There you go. Some of them may say shaker if you have the shaker system. You pull those 2 bolts out, this whole faceplate comes off. You don't have to pull the sides or none of that crap like everybody else is doing. Now we will have to come through and cut this out. These areas right here. And when we cut that out, we will then fish the wire up, and I'll show you where the wire is. I have to get a flashlight for it. But we're minutes away. I haven't been working on this less than 10 minutes. I did kind of force this off. This piece here, I forced it off. You're not supposed to do that, but I did it anyway because, well, we're not going back on with it, so. Alright, let's put you back on time lapse real quick. Alright guys, so my car is a 2020, and I'm gonna tell you something. 2018 to 2023, Ford was nice enough to add in the plug. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get this camera adjusted here. Alright, y'all see that little square back here with that little white plug? That is the performance pack plug. That is your wire, your plug for the wires. Now I'm gonna fish it out real quick. Just gotta reach up and somehow get it out, because it is in there. Boy, is it in there. Let me get this out real quick. Alright guys, there it is. There's your plug. There's your plug in. We are gonna fish it up underneath here, up underneath this vent, back up this way. So, close these doors and reopen them. Get a little bit more light on the subject. That way, now, I can plug that up. I might have to cut a little bit of this here, a little bit of this vent tubing. Cut it, get it fished up, plugged in. Now it's time to cut this once we get this radio put back in. And yeah, get this thing set in here. So the next thing you'll see is me cutting this here. Cutting this little styrofoam stuff. It's really soft. There's some hard plastic behind it, but I don't think I need like any kind of Dremel or anything to cut it. So we'll get this cut out. That way that gauge pot will sit in here and start test fitting. truth, I know you see me flashing through the My Color stuff in the video. Now, let's get this thing plugged up and see if we can get it in. Oh, no, heck no. Oh, man. So, all right, looks like more's got to come out. Thing would cut here along this line, because that's weak though. All right, I'm gonna do some more shaving. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I know this video is a little sideways here, but finally it is in. What a pain in the butt. So you got to trim all these little clip pieces on the back side of this little, the bezel for the radio face. There's no clips down here on the bottom, just up top. And I've done, look, make sure everything's fitting good. I just got to put this piece in over here and we're done. But check it out. So they are operational, and like I said, shoot, if I can get through this, I will show you that the color does work. So you can change it to whatever you want. That's the red. More likely I'll just keep it on white, because my gauges are white and red. I mean, I kind of like the red, but I don't think the halo comes in a white. No, it don't. So I'd do like an ice blue or something like that, and I don't know. I don't know. I might rock the blue for a little bit, but anyway, I'm gonna switch it back. That does show you that, yes, an 18 to 23 Mustang GT premium model, they do have the wire harness in the back for your performance pack gauges, if that's what you decide to do. Of course, I have been hell-bent on wanting to do this for a while now. Yeah, see, perfect airflow out of those two vents. That's actually better than what it was. Huh. Nothing coming out of the middle. So, guys, once again, what a pain in the butt. So, I guess I'm just going to go ahead and get out of here. I'm going to pop this other trim piece on. We got somewhere to be here shortly, and it's super cold outside. So once again, Happy New Year to you guys. 2024 is going to be big for us, trust me. We got a bunch of stuff coming up, including the Fox body. It is coming back, and it will hopefully be done by the end of this year. So Pits 2025 is when we're hoping to have Papa Smurf out there for you guys to see him. So other than that, we love you. Bring it in 2024. Dream big. See you guys.